I'm Erin from techgadgetscanada.com, and I recently had a chance to spend several weeks with the LG V60 ThinQ 5G dual screen smartphone. It's got a ton of cool features and amazing options, but using them might not be intuitive. So I'm sharing some quick tutorials and how-tos on some of the V60's coolest features. A cool feature of the video mode on the LG V60 is the ability to zero in on certain audio. LG calls this voice bokeh. Essentially, this feature lets you choose which audio around you to focus on. So you could feature your voice while at a concert, for example, or zoom into someone speaking on a distant stage. The video mode also lets you amplify quieter sounds, and that setting is called ASMR recording. To use either one, choose video mode, then tap the small microphone icon. You'll be presented with a list of choices. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. You can read more tips and tricks for the V60 on the blog at techgadgetscanada.com. Until the next time, I'm Erin. You can find me on Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always catch me at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada. Thanks for watching.